Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Valentine's Aura Day 3. Today's video is all about these chocolate day nails. Now firstly, I'm disappointed because the design didn't came out as I expected, but I don't have any more time to recreate it, so I'm just posting it. Just let me know in the comments below what do you guys think about it, whether it's a good one or bad. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos, because there's lots of Valentine's Day nail art designs coming up. So let's get started.